Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to save Instagram draft reels to gallery. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So I'm tapping on this plus icon and I'm selecting reel, and for example I'm capturing a dummy reel here. Okay, the reel has been successfully captured, and now let's see how to save this draft. So I'm going to tapping on this cross icon to the top left corner, and here we can see the option save draft. So all you have to need, just tap on save draft. Okay, now tap on this little plus icon here and now tap on drafts, and here you will get your saved drafts. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.